How to recover Brawl Stars account without Supercell ID. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, launch a preferred browser on your device and search for Supercell help. Scroll down until you find some of the game category of your Supercell. Now from here, select on the Brawl Star. Wait for it to load. Now once it completely loads up, you need to scroll down to find some of the keyword that is associated with your recovery. If not, you can select on the option of I lost my account. Basically, now you have two ways to recover your Brawl Star. Firstly, you will need the access to an email that was linked to your Brawl Star account. If you cannot remember which email was associated with it, you can check out in your inbox for some of the associated email from the Brawl Star, from where you can easily gain the email account that is linked to your Brawl Star. If not, you need to check out the help and support of Brawl Star. Now in this case, you can use alternative email address and create a new Supercell ID. By being connected with a Supercell ID, you can easily communicate with its agent, in which you can easily ask for recovery of your previous Brawl Star account. Depending on the condition and the days of your account loss, you shall be able to recover your Brawl Star account. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.